Happy day all. It's me Saji from Saji Cool YouTube channel. In today's lifestyle, most of us are disturbed and stressed due to the changes happening around us, which leads us to depression. Hence, I decided to give an overview about it. Hope this session would be very helpful to you all, my dear friends. Depression is classified as a mood disorder. It may be described as feelings of sadness, loss, or anger that interfere with a person's everyday activities. People experience depression in different ways. It may interfere with your daily work, resulting in lost time and lower productivity. It can also influence relationships and some chronic health conditions. Conditions that can get worse due to depression include arthritis, asthma, cardiovascular disease, cancer, diabetes, and obesity. It's important to realize that feeling down at times is a normal part of life. Sad and upsetting events happen to everyone, but if you're feeling down or hopeless on a regular basis, you could be dealing with depression. Symptoms of depression. Depression can be more than a constant state of sadness or feeling blue. Major depression can cause a variety of symptoms. Some affect your mood and others affect your body. Some common symptoms of depression among men, women, and children are mood, such as anger, irritability, anxiousness, aggressiveness. Emotional well being, such as feeling empty, sad, or hopeless. Behavior, such as loss of interest, no longer finding pleasure in favorite activities, feeling tired easily, thoughts of suicide, engaging into high risk activities. Cognitive abilities, such as inability to concentrate, difficulty completing tasks, delayed responses during conversation. Sleep patterns, such as restless sleep, excessive sleepiness, and waking early. Physical well being, such as fatigue, pains, headache, digestive problems. Causes of depression. There are several possible causes of depression. They can range from biological to circumstantial. Common causes include family history, early childhood trauma, brain structure, medical conditions, drug use. In addition to these causes, other risk factors for depression include low self esteem or being self critical, personal history of mental illness, certain medications, stressful events such as loss of a loved one, economic problems, or a divorce. Types of depression. Depression can be broken into categories depending on the severity of symptoms. Some people experience mild and temporary episodes, while others experience severe and ongoing depressive episodes. There are two main types. First is major depressive disorder. It is the more severe form of depression. It's characterized by persistent feelings of sadness, hopelessness, and worthlessness that don't go away on their own. Secondly, persistent depressive disorder. It is used to be called dysthymia. It's a milder but chronic form of depression. Treatment for depression. Living with depression can be difficult, but treatment can help improve your quality of life. It's common to combine medical treatments and lifestyle therapies. Talk to your health provider about your medical treatments. Here I will share with you few lifestyle therapies. Number 1. Exercise. Aim for 30 minutes of physical activity 3 to 5 days a week. Exercise can increase your body's production of endorphins, which are hormones that improve your mood. Secondly, avoid alcohol and drugs. Drinking or misusing drugs may make you feel better for a little while, but in the long run, these substances can make depression and anxiety symptoms worse. Finally, take care of yourself. You can also improve symptoms of depression by taking care of yourself. This includes getting plenty of sleep, eating a healthy diet, avoiding negative people, and participating in enjoyable activities. You can also improvise these symptoms by adding many herbs, supplements, and vitamins rich food in your daily routine. That's it for today. Subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share my videos, press the notification icon, and post your valuable feedback in the comment section. It's me, Saji, signing off from Saji Cool YouTube channel. Be positive, stay positive. Love you all. Take care and bye bye.